Hello, our art friend. Today in Kitty Kanjo, we are going to learn how to draw and color a scarecrow. So grab your art supplies and let's start drawing. First, draw a circle for the head that's wider at the bottom. Then draw a few curves connected together and to the bottom of the head to make a frill for the color. Inside the face, draw two large circles for the eyes. With a letter X inside each of them to show stitching of the buttons resembling the eyes. Draw a large curved line for the mouth and a zigzag line for the top of the mouth, connected together at the corners. Draw a vertical line in the middle of the face with a few small lines intersecting it to show the stitching. Draw two lines coming out from each side of the collar to make the arm. If you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe. Then connect them at the end with a zigzag line to make the end of the sleeve. Then draw another zigzag line coming out from the sleeve to make the hand. Repeat the same steps on the other side. Draw a curved line coming down from each arm to make the body. Draw two lines coming down from each side of the body to make the leg. Connect the two legs in the middle by a curved line. Draw a zigzag line at the end of each leg to make the end of the pants leg. Then draw a shoe coming out of the bottom of each leg. Draw a letter U coming down from one side of the collar. Then draw another one from the other side to make the straps of the overall. Make a small circle in the bottom of each one for the button. Connect the two straps together with a curved line in the middle. Then connect the left strap to the side of the body. Decorate the top of the overall with a few small lines. That was fun to draw. Now you can draw a scarecrow. Now grab the colors of each choice and let's start coloring. To achieve a 3D effect, pick a darker shade and go over some parts of the drawing. To show light reflection on any surface while coloring, leave a small line without color or use a white pen or pencil over your colors. If you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe.